morning, welcome back to our channel Civil Stuff by Wahid. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe. So today I want to express some awareness on AE and AEE examination pattern. Even the notification are yet to come through TSPSC or APPSC. So in this I am going to explain you scheme of examination of AE and AEE and who are eligible for this examination and what are the papers and what are the topics covered in each paper and how many parts are there, like that I am going to discuss in this video. Please watch this video completely without skipping it so that you can have a brief knowledge on preparation. See, even though the notification are yet to come, but see, once if notification comes means there will be no time for it. There will be no time for preparation. So for that reason, you should start preparation as of now immediately so that you can crack the examination. Okay, so please keep watching, continuing this video. So here is the scheme of examination. What you can see, this is AE syllabus and this is AEE syllabus. Regarding first, we'll see the exam paper pattern. First, this is what? AE, scheme of examination for assistant engineers, and this is for AEE. This is for what? AEE, assistant executive engineers. Coming to here, both exams are what? Multiple choice questions, MCQ, multiple choice questions. Here the written examination for AE is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is what? General studies and general abilities. Paper 2 is civil engineering, diploma standard or mechanical engineering, whatever the subject may be. Coming to here AEE, there are part A and part B. Part A consists of paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 and paper 2, and part B is completely interview. And coming to here, same general studies will be same almost. We'll see what is this, where it is going to be differ. And here 150 questions are there, 2.5 hours, that is 150 minutes, and 150 marks, means each question is 1 mark. Similarly, concerned subject 150 questions, okay, 150 marks and 150 minutes duration. Total is 300 and no interview, and first of all no negative marking, okay. And coming to here AEE, part A, you have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is what? General studies and general abilities. Same number of questions are 150, duration also same, 2.5 hours, and maximum marks is 150, means each question 1 mark. Coming to the paper 2, civil engineering, that is degree level, that is what? Degree level, and 150 questions, 2.5 hours, but 300 marks, means each question carries 2 marks. Coming to part B, that is interview, that is what? Interview. How many marks? 50 marks. So total altogether 500 marks, and here it is 300 marks. Now coming to the who are eligible for AE and for AEE. For AEE, one who completed BTech is eligible, but for AE, one who completed diploma and BTech are also eligible for AE post. Means here the competition will be much more. And if you can see here, from 2016 there is no AE post, and from 2018 there is no AEE post in our TSPSC. So for that reason the competition is going on increasing year by year, because n number of batches are coming. Okay, almost 4 years, say let us take 4 years, 4 into, you can see in state how many colleges are there in that civil branch, or how many are there, like that you can prefer and you can calculate. So each college will be having almost of 60 intake, like that suppose 100 colleges are there, means almost 6,000 students every year. Like that 4 years means 6 for 24,000. Like that the pattern, like that the competition is going on increasing. So definitely based upon the competition for scrutiny purpose for filtration, the paper may be somewhat tough. Okay, if it is easy, it will be somewhat tough in another paper. Okay, so always prefer for tough preparation so that you can crack it easily. Okay, coming to the general studies and general abilities paper 1 in case of here, first current affairs are there. In that regional, national, international. Regional means our state. Okay, next country, next world. Okay, state means what? Regional. National means country. World means international. Next, international relations and summits ante enti? Means you will calling summits, events, summits ante enti? Relation between. Okay, you will be having all these things. Now where you can prefer this one means you have to refer some of the magazines. Okay, what I preferred when I was preparing for AW and every exam is some magazines, weekly, monthly magazines will be there. Weekly, monthly magazines. Example, I have taken High Tech Vijayarahasiyam, next Udyoga Sopanam. These are magazines. Okay, Shine India books. Okay, Vijeta competitions. Okay, and any one newspaper. Okay, you have to prepare day to day events. Now for current affairs and international relations events, paper statements and all these magazines, weekly 15 days magazines will be there, 1 to 15 days, 15 to 30 days, like that you will be having magazines. You can prefer those things to cover all these things. Next, coming to general science. General science means what? You have studied your biology, physics, okay, chemistry. From that the questions will be means regarding the blood. Okay, who are the recipients, who are the donors, like that you will be having, right? So from that questions will be. Next, scientific names of different trees or plants or animals, or some difference will be there. From that you can prefer. Next, India's achievements in science and technology means now ISRO, NASA, like that you have, right? From that the questions will be, what are the achievements, what are the launchings they are doing, like that you will be asking the questions. And coming to environmental issues and disaster management means any tufan, okay, like that. Next, earthquakes, what is the maximum earthquake recorded in so and so place in the so and so month, like that you may ask in the questions. Around 5 questions you may expect from disaster management. And what is the name given to so and so tsunami occurred, so and so storm occurred. Okay, what is the Richter scale reading during the earthquake you got, like that you may ask the questions. Okay, next one is what? Economy of India and Telangana. As we are writing on a Telangana paper, you should more focus on Telangana area, Telangana budget, like that. What are the schemes, how much amount have been implemented, and how much budget allocated, how much amount it has been utilized on some particular project, like that they may asking. Next, coming to the geography of India, and with the focus on Telangana. Geography of India means what? India level you should know the minerals, okay, agriculture growth. Next, what are the rivers flowing from which direction to which direction, what is the length of a river, like that. Suppose if you go for a Telangana, there will be one definitely question from Godavari river or Krishna river or Tungabhadra, whatever it may be, rivers of their origin, their destination, their length, their capacity, their catchment area, okay, like that. N number of questions you may expect from these questions. Okay, next, Indian Constitution and polity, okay, with a focus on local self-government. Local self-government is our state government, like that. For Indian Constitution and polity, what I preferred is Arihant book are there, okay. Arihant books are very good for referring, and Vijeta competitions for these things. And for Telangana, any sort of thing, Telugu Academy books are very best. What are books? Telugu Academy books, which are very much in order to. Next, society. Next, constitution. What is this? You should know the articles, schedules, and amendments, which are very important. So for every thing, you will be having articles, schedules, and amendments. You should know all these things. And next, society, culture, and heritage. Society, culture, and heritage of Telangana. Okay. Heritage, what are the heritage places, historical monuments, like that you will be having. Next, what is the culture of Telangana, okay, what is the festival, what is the bird, like that you will be having all these general questions from the Telangana. And what is the literature, language, and like that. Next, policies and schemes. Mainly schemes you should prefer. What are the schemes implemented for the benefit of below poverty line, like that. And what are the policies of Telangana state? Policies means what you can say is Vidhi Vidhanalu, how the government is administrating, like that. Next, coming to the modern history of India, and Indian national movement, like this. Next, history of Telangana and Telangana movement, 1964, from 1964 to till date, Telangana, 2014, Telangana movement, like that. You have to more concentrate. Up to this is a general studies. And coming to general abilities, you should go logical reasoning, analytical ability, data interpretation. What are these means? You will be having problems on puzzles, numericals, number ability, okay. And next, what do you call, problems on train, speed, time, blood relations, like that. Data interpretation will also be there. Some passage will be given, from that the questions will be dragged, like that. Around 30 marks, 25 to 30 marks will be covered. And coming to the basic English, that is 8th class standard for AE post. It is 8th class standard. See, don't neglect this basic English, because the sentence what they are giving, it will be very terrific, in the sense, means every answer in the choose the correct answers, the 4 options, everything will be correct. You will be seeing everything will be seems to be correct. There only it will be very problematic. Okay, around 15 to 20 questions you can expect from general English. This is regarding the general studies and general abilities pertaining to AE. What the difference means? Slight difference will be there here. Everything is covering. No, current affairs, regional, national, and international affairs. Okay. Next, general science, India, everything is same. Here, disaster prevention and mitigation strategies also. Economic and social development of India and Telangana. Socio-economic, geography of India. Okay. Geography and demography India means census. Telangana census, and you may expect questions on the state bifurcation. Okay, next, number of the districts formed, under what article, what amendment, what act it has been formed. Okay, population, literature, okay, men female ratio, density of each district and each state, like that you may ask questions. Okay, and that all comes to this demography, and remaining everything is there: socio-economic, political, cultural history of modern India, of national Indian movement, and Telangana state, Telangana statehood movement, political and cultural history, like that. Indian constitution, right issues, see, gender, caste, tribe, disability, etc. All these are policies. Okay. Next, literature of Telangana, policies of Telangana stat, everything. But here basic English is of 10th standard. Is of what? 10th standard. This is the basic information what I am giving you. See, still notification time is yet to come. Next, here I have referred some books also. You don't depend on the books what I explained, what I said. You try some more books. If you go for any book center like Koti in Hyderabad, you can find number of books. Okay, most preferably Vijeta competition books are very good, and magazines, Udyoga Sopanam, as I said, you Hari and everything is very very important, and try to prepare much more general studies, because if you are recently passed out batch of diploma or BTech civil engineering, you will be having some knowledge, because after diploma you will be anywhere preparing for ESET. Okay, so some knowledge will be there, and after BTech you are going to prefer, some will be going for preparation of gate preparation. Some knowledge on subject will be there anyway, but general studies, up to 10th you have studied as a subject, social studies, science, like that. But now for competitive exam you should know everything. For that reason, you start preparation of your general studies, and continue with the subject. Prepare your personal timetables so that it will be very easy. See, I can give you timetable also, but it won't suit you for every person, because your preparation timing will be different. Okay, your way of preparation will be different. For that reason, I am not providing you any timetable. Just the thing is, what books I preferred, because I am a ex AWE aspirant in irrigation department itself. Later on, I have moved to Polytechnic lecturer. Presently, I am working as a Polytechnic lecturer in Telangana state only. And now, after this awareness video, from next week onwards, I am going to give you some classes, some video classes I am going to provide online in our YouTube channel, Civil Stuff by Wahid, which may be utilized by both diploma and degree and diploma students. Diploma and degree students. Okay, diploma and degree students. Now coming to, we'll see civil engineering question, paper for diploma level AE papers. AE. Now what are the subjects and what are the books to be preferred? Coming to here, surveying, construction materials means and practice. What textbooks are to be preferred? First we'll see the subjects which are covered here. Okay, very easy subjects, and what are the books to be preferred. Surveying is there, construction materials and practice, engineering mechanics and strength of materials, hydraulics, quantity surveying, design of structures, RCC and steel. Okay, irrigation engineering, next environmental engineering, and transportation engineering. These are the 9 subjects. These are the 9 subjects are there. Now what to prefer? See, first of all, what I tell you is, don't solve bits directly without knowing the basic knowledge on that particular subject. Okay, some people have a habit of directly learning the choose the correct answers like that. It is not good to give, because you will be having zero knowledge at the time of examination. First, what I do is I will tell you to prepare from the textbooks itself. From the textbooks. Suppose if you go for a surveying, Nagesh Kumar, Falcon Publishers, it is very good textbook. And BMCP also, I think Srinivasulu or Lakshmi Prasad is there. Building materials and construction practice. And from this contouring, compass surveying, the questions are very, very good, important questions from compass surveying and contouring and surveying classifications like that. Textbooks are enough. Coming to engineering mechanics and strength of materials, N. Srinivasulu, that is from Radiant Publications. From hydraulics, it is Lakshmi Prasad is good. Quantity surveying, actually B.N. Datta, that is engineering level book, is very important. B.N. Datta. And RCC Dhirendra Babu and Steel Naga Srinivasulu. What textbook you have referred in your exam, in your college days, that is more than enough. And after that, some books are there. Just what Rangachari book. Rangachari book is there for ESET FDH, right? ESET preparation, you have Rangachari take a book. From that, you just solve the bits. No description is important, because anyway you are preferring the textbook. Okay, and solve old papers, old AE papers, which is very, very important. Which is very, very important. Okay, and coming to engineering, that is AEE. Okay, coming to AEE, BMCP is there, that is building materials and construction practice. Strength of materials and theory of structures is there. RCC and steel structures. Fluid mechanics and hydraulic structures, hydraulics. Okay, next hydrology and water resource engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, soil mechanics and foundation engineering, like that. Building materials and constructions, Bhavikatti. Bhavikatti is a nice book. Strength of materials and theory instructions, Rajput or Ramamrutam. Ramamrutam book is also good. For RCC and steel structures, BC Punmiya. And for steel structures also, BC Punmiya, Bhavikatti. For steel structures, one book is there. Duggal. Is Duggal. Duggal book is very perfect, very good book. Coming to fluid mechanics and hydraulics, what I prefer is Modi and Seth. Modi and Seth or Rajput or Bansal. These are very good books for preparing this one. Hydrology and water resource. For hydrology, what I prefer is J. Rami Reddy. J. Rami Reddy. Okay, and for water resource, S.K. Garg, Santosh Kumar Garg. Okay, this one also, S.K. Garg is good. Okay, and transportation engineering, Khanna and Gesto. Okay, soil mechanics and foundation, you can go for Arora, K.R. Arora or B.C. Punmiya. And for estimating, costing and construction management, B.N. Datta. Okay, for construction management you see it. And surveying, diploma standard book is more than enough here. Or Arora book is also good. So these are the book reference I have given. Along with these references, what I suggest is to go for bit solving, not for the theory. Theory is always good from your textbooks. That is R.S. Kurmi, okay, K.R. Agor, S.S. Gupta and Gupta, okay. And what I studied during my preparation is I prepared this one, and ACE Institute coaching material. For GATE material I have preferred, okay. And there will be separate APPSC material also will be there, okay. And coming to the general studies for AEEs, and one more book I have preferred is Bandla Publications. Those who have completed a BTech. Almost the material what I preferred from the institute, and see, this is Vijeta Competitions, AEE, Bandla Publications. What is this? Bandla Publications. This is Bandla Publications book what I preferred. So from the next coming videos we'll try to start surveying topic and RCC topic simultaneously. Both videos, one day surveying topic and one day RCC bits I'm going to explain. Please share this video to any of the friends and who belongs to civil engineering community, and try to make them subscribe our channel so that it will be encouragement for me to do more and more videos which are useful for any civil engineering student. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe.